Hello Virgos, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you and your person. And it means that on one side the cards will be displaying your energies, on the other side your person's energies or the person you're thinking of or you're dealing with, and then the mutual energy or the outcome in this scenario. So please feel free to pick your sides and swap the sides as the situation resonates with you, and if this reading does not resonate with you, as it's a general reading, so check your moon sign and your name sign. And for the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what we have for Virgos. Five of Pentacles. Your person is the Sun. Outcome is the Knight of Swords. With the Five of Pentacles, there is something which has happened which you are feeling very upset about. You're very upset about something over here. You feel perhaps ignored and rejected by a person. You definitely, there is something, obviously there is something which has upset you, which you are heartbroken. You are not in a very good state of mind. You feel upset over here with the King, Five of Pentacles. You feel worn out and shattered. Maybe they have not responded to something which you wanted to, the way you wanted to, but it hasn't happened perhaps. But here on your partner's side with the Sun card, things are pretty good. This person is very, very happy. Nothing is stopping them to be happy. I don't know what's it all about. Let's see what's underneath them. And here with the Knight of Swords, it's a mutual energy. So definitely both of you, I think it's a mutual energy, the outcome. So definitely you will be rushing towards each other, you or the other person, whosoever, but that step will be made. And this is something, somebody who is rushing in towards something. So definitely there is a action which will be taken to save this relationship or towards one another, whatever. Okay, so some sort of action is there. Let's see what's there. Five of Pentacles. Emperor, the Ten of Wands, and the Temperance. So what I feel here is that there is some sort of a burden which you are carrying. That is why you feel like that. Not necessarily it is of this situation, but this is your feeling. This is the energy which you have because of a burden which you are carrying. And this, I think it's a burden which you are carrying from a long time. Okay, but you are unburdening it. It's coming to an end. You don't have to worry. So it can be an energy from which you are carrying it. It can be a mental state of something which is bothering you. I don't think it's recent. It's something you've been carrying for a long time. Maybe it's a past grudge or a past hurt which you're carrying. But yes, you are trying to put it down and you are trying to unburden yourself. And here with the Emperor and the Temperance, again, that's what I'm getting. You are trying to take the control of your life, or at least you're at least showing that. Okay, and you will be successful in this, because with the Temperance here, you are trying to balance the situation. Definitely you are trying to unburden yourself and balance the situation, whatever the situation is, even if it has happened with this person in the past, in the recent past. But this is your current energy actually with the Five of Pentacles. This is how you feel inside. So definitely something has happened, but it will be okay. And you are trying to unburden yourself from this situation, and things will be sorted out and you will balance it. Okay, you will take back your control. And here on your partner's side, we have the Sun. Let's see what's there. The Queen of Cups, the Two of Pentacles, and the Star. So everything is fine, Virgos. I think this is something which you are unnecessarily overthinking perhaps. Maybe there has been something which was not that great as you felt, or it is something else which is bothering you, which is maybe affecting this relationship also. It's a burden. Some sort of a burden is there. Over here there is some sort of, yeah, this person is trying to make a decision on something. The emotions are there, but this person is trying to make a decision on something, and with the star and the sun, so there is definitely a lot of happiness over here on this person's side. They do see you as their source of happiness. That's what I'm trying to say. It's not about their own. It's a you and them reading. So it's that this is the energy when they feel they are with you. So this is a person who is happy with you. With the star, they feel that you are their wish come true. They are happy. They are emotions over here. So perhaps they are struggling over something and they're trying to sort out something, or being indecisive over something. And maybe this something can be a commitment. Maybe you want them to speak something and they are not speaking up. That can be there, and that is what is bothering you. Maybe that is what is the burden which you are carrying, and you feel ignored and left out because perhaps you have invested a lot in this relationship and you want them to open up perhaps, and this person is perhaps not opening up, or perhaps this person is not committing to you. It can be that, and that is what is bothering you. Perhaps it can be that. But yeah, don't worry. Give them that time. Whatever time they need, just give them that time. There's nothing to worry. I don't see anything to worry about. Emotions are there. They are happy to be with you. Okay, so they don't have anybody else in their life. That's what I'm trying to say. Let's see what is the outcome here with the Knight of Swords. The Six of Swords, the Page of Pentacles, and the Three of Swords. So this is the outcome of the mutual energy. So what I am seeing here is, with the Knight of Swords, as I said, action will be taken, and that will be very fast action. But if this person is trying to sort out something, let them sort it out. And here with the Three of Swords and with the Six of Swords, what I see here is that definitely there has been something which is painful. Something has definitely been there in this situation. It can be a verbal thing which has hurt you, even if they don't realize it, and they have maybe perhaps done something or said something unintentionally which has hurt you. Or it can be just the commitment part, that you want them to take a decision. I think this is something which is troubling you a lot, that you want them to take a decision which they are not taking. That's what I feel. That is the problem over here, and that is causing a lot of stress. But what I feel here is that things will be okay. With the Six of Swords, you are moving away. It's a mutual energy. So you are moving away from this tension, from this heartbreak, from this pain, whatever it was. And with the Page of Pentacles, there is a new beginning. And here already I have told you, with the Knight of Swords, rapid action will be taken. It will be a very fast movement. Just give that time to excuse me, to sort out this pain, whatever this pain is. But the pain is mutual. It's coming on the mutual energy or the outcome. So it's not that the other person is not affected if they are not showing it. Maybe they are not able to take a decision. This taking a decision itself is a painful situation for them. You don't know what's going on. So maybe there is a reason that they are not able to decide. Maybe there is something there, and they are also not happy to be in that indecisive state. That's what I'm trying to say. Maybe that indecision is causing pain to them also. So just give them that time to come to think and to sort it out. Okay, but definitely it will be sorted out. Things are moving towards peace, and there are new beginnings and rapid action. And rapid action means fast movement will be there. Okay, so don't worry, it will be okay. So Virgos, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Thank you.